Many people all over the world are making money online just by reading scripts. You too can earn money online just by reading scripts and recording your voice. Wow, this is an interesting way to earn money online that is free to start and does not require any costly gadgets. All you need is the voice recorder on your iPhone or Android phone. As easy as this method of making money online is, people are earning $100 to over $2,000 reading just one script online. Yes, read and record a script and you receive money. You do not need any special training like that. You don't need to be a celebrity or someone famous to get to earn money with your voice. Again, you should not worry about your voice, whether it's deep, sharp, or hoarse. They receive different types of voice for different projects. Your accent may also be an asset for you, as you do not need to have a UK or American accent or anything like that to start reading scripts and earning money with your voice online. As you can see from this table, you will receive pay based on the number of words per minute you read. You can earn from $100 to $249 for 750 words or less in 5 minutes. For 750 to 2,250 words in 5 to 15 minutes, you will earn $250 to $400. Now, I as a person can read 1,800 words in 10 minutes. It means I can earn more than $250 for one script in just a short time like this. Then, it also means I can make more money with more opportunities from this website daily. As you can see here, there are bigger opportunities of earning well over $1,000 reading just one script. Wow, that is so much money for reading a script in 40 to 60 minutes. Now, you shouldn't be carried away by the prospects of making money reading scripts, that you miss any of the steps you need to take to make money from this website. Therefore, make sure you watch this video to the end and do not skip any part. All you need is to stay focused for at least the next 8 minutes, so that you can understand what you need to do to earn such money from the website I will be revealing soon. If you do not follow the steps I will be revealing in this video, step by step correctly, you may not make any money from this website. You know, I am so excited to show you this step of making money online, because your success as my subscriber or a viewer is my success in this channel. Now, before we get started, I would like to welcome you to my channel, Make Money Online Right. This is where I research and teach you how to make money and create passive income to full-time income online using free tools. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you're alerted whenever I drop more exciting videos on the strategies of money making online. Now, let's head right back into the video and set up to begin making money online today. But, before I reveal the website for you, I would like to show you the job opportunities that can be available for you now if you sign up today. These opportunities are open to everybody worldwide, and it is open to all for contest. All you need to do is to upload your responses as fast as possible. If your respond matches the required percentage voice match, you will get the job. As you can see, here are examples of the kind of jobs you will be doing if you sign up on this website today. These are voiceovers and translation job opportunities and their corresponding possible payment attached. For example, we have a video production voiceover here, a TikTok campaign voiceover, and many more. The opportunities to make money on this website are endless. That is why I am revealing this to you. Alright, enough of talking too much. The website I shall be revealing to you is voices.com. Therefore, let's head to the search bar and type in voices.com. When the site loads, it looks just like this. This is the home page for the website, and it says here, the world's #1 marketplace for voiceover. Now, let's scroll down a bit to this place of the site. As you can see here, these are well-known worldwide brands that uses this website. They are big companies like Shopify, Microsoft, The History Channel, Discovery, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, and Hulu. The earnings you make from this website is legitimate and will be sent to your bank account directly, or through wire transfer, PayPal, and many other means of payment available in your country. There will be different jobs and projects available for you on this website. In this video, I will be revealing the best projects that will make the more money. Therefore, make sure you concentrate on this video. Now, to sign up on this website, you will need to come to the top right corner of the site and click on Sign Up. After that, it will take you to this page, and here you have two options. Hire talent for your projects, or find work as a talent. Of course, I will click on this one, Find Work as a Talent. After clicking, it will take you to the page that says, Sign up for work on Voices. What you will need to fill in here is your full name, email and password. Now, let's fill the form right away. I will type my name here, then type an email address here, followed by a strong password. I will check the terms of service and click Continue. If you have done this step well, you will be taken to another page. It says here, let's verify your email. If you did not get the verification email in your inbox, you can come here to resend to the email by clicking on the Resend Confirmation Email. Now from my email here, you can see the confirmation email. It says here, thank you for creating a Voices account. In order to complete the registration process, please click the button below to verify your email address. You should click on Verify Your Email. It will take you to this page, where you will complete your account setup. Here, you will have your free account setup. What you need is your address, your city, your country, state or province, zip or postal code, and phone number. Now, I will go ahead and fill the form by typing in my address here. I will type in my city here. I will click on the dialog box, and here you can see different countries of the world. You can select your country. As you can see, this website includes all the countries worldwide. This means the opportunity to make money from this website is worldwide. Whether you are from Afghanistan, China, Africa, India, you can still get jobs opportunities on this website. You do not need to change your location or do something to use this website. Just fill in the form, using your country of location, and you will get tons of opportunities from where you are. Now after filling the form and submitting the form, you will be taken to this page right here. Here, it will show you all the steps to follow to complete the sign-up process. What you need to do is to click on Next Step to go to the next process. The next page shows the kind of jobs you will receive invitation to respond and earn money. As you can see, jobs you are invited to respond to are listed under Hiring. Your VoiceMarch score helps you prioritize your list and makes responding simple. After this page, click on Next Step. Yes, welcome to the money page. This is the page that will make you money. All your payments will be posted here. From released payments to pending payments and sure pay payments will all be reflected on this page. Build your online reputation. Here is where you will post your profile for brands and companies that will be hiring. Now, you can come here and select your service skills. You have the following options here: voiceover, audio presentation, music, translation. Now, for the purpose of this video, I shall be applying for voiceover jobs and a translation jobs. Now, I will select voiceover here and will come here to voiceover skills, where we have animation, audiobooks, business, documentary, education, internet video, movie trailers, podcasting and more. Okay, let me select audiobook for the purpose of this video. But, you can select trailers if you think you can make good movie trailer voiceover, as this may make you more money. The reason I selected audiobook, though it may not make the most money, is that it is one of the simplest voiceovers. All it requires is for you to know how to read sentence with the punctuations well. Now, I will go ahead to add another skill so that I will have more opportunities to make money. I will click on Add Additional Skills. Here, I will select Translation. As you can see here, there is service, source language and target language. Now, I will like to translate English to Arabic. So, I will select English as the source language and the target language will be Arabic. As you can see from this dialog box options, there are opportunities from many languages of this world. I will select Arabic and click Save and Next. After this, it will take you to this page, where you finish your profile by adding your profile or go ahead and check for jobs. Wow, welcome to my opportunities. These are the available jobs in my dashboard. See the first one here, which has a pay between $500 to $749. They need a 70% voice match. As you can see here, there is only one response here. This means the competition is not much at this moment, so the prospect in applying for and getting this job is high. If I apply for this job right now, I will be able to earn at least $700 in just one task on this website. If we scroll down, you will see other jobs openings with $250, $100, $500, $500, $100 to $249, $100, $400, $800. See here, I have up to 290 jobs available on my dashboard that I can apply and earn money. Let's get to the next page and see more offers. Here, you can see that I have opportunities for $100 to $249, $500 to $749, $500, $100 to $249, $1,000 to $1,249, $1,750 to $1,999, and many more. Wow, there are great opportunities to make money on this website, and you should sign up right away to make money. You can also download the mobile app for this website to your Android or iPhone, and you will be able to apply for jobs and make money right from the comfort of your bed. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you have gotten any value or information from this video, I would like you to hit the like button. You can as well subscribe and turn on the notification bell to encourage me make more videos for making money online, and you will also be notified whenever new video drops. Keep making money.